Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. So let's start. The first question is, how many chairs were there in the beginning? Given there were some rows of chairs in a room. Each row had 5 chairs. When Sahana brought in 2 extra chairs and rearranged all the chairs, there were 4 chairs in each row and 3 more rows than before. So read the question carefully and understand it what they given. What we have to find it? We have to find it how many chairs were there in the starting. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's assume that number of rows equals to x. Number of chairs per row equals to 5. Total chairs equals to 5x. After Sahana rearranged the chairs, number of rows equals to x plus 3. Number of chairs per row is 4. Total chairs equals to 4 of x plus 3. We know Sahana added 2 chairs. So the equation is 5x plus 2 equals to 4 of x plus 3. 5x plus 2 equals to 4x plus 12. 5x minus 4x equals to 12 minus 2 is 10. X equals to 10. Initially there were 10 rows with 5 chairs. Then total chairs equals to 5x. We know x value. 5 multiplied by 10 equals to 50. So there were 50 chairs in the beginning. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this math problem. If you have any doubts regarding this question, please ask me in the comment section. The second question is, Neela has 116 colored papers. She keeps 8 colored papers for herself and shares the rest equally among some friends. If each of her friends gets 9 colored papers, how many friends are there? So read the question carefully. Neela has 116 colored papers. We have to find how many friends were there. So let's see how to solve this problem. Neela has 116 colored papers. She keeps 8 for herself. So 116 minus 8 is 108. She shares the rest equally among her friends. So and each friend gets 9 papers. 108 divided by 9 equals to 9 1s are 9, 9 12s are 108. So there are 12 friends are there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.